Hey everyone, if you want to create professional training videos without spending hours recording and editing, Guidde AI can make the process much easier. In this video, I'll show you how to create training videos with Guidde AI from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Guidde AI account and install the Guidde browser extension if you haven't already. The extension allows Guidde to capture your workflow and automatically generate training content. For the best results, keep training videos focused on specific tasks, update them regularly, and review AI-generated content before sharing it with your audience. And that's how to create training videos with Guidde AI in 2026. It's a fast and efficient way to build professional training content without advanced video editing skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.